Hey guys, Sax Magic here. Today we're going to be learning about a cornerstone in Magic, and it is the classic color change. So this is what it goes like. Let's say we have the Queen of Diamonds right here. Okay, so you can see the Queen of Diamonds. It's right there. Okay, we just give it a little rub, okay? And it becomes the Ace of Hearts. This can be implemented in many ways and many routines. Now for the tutorial. So, the classic color change. This is quite a difficult move. It will require a bit of practice, but after you've practiced, it will begin to look quite good. So, what you're really doing, primarily, is switching this card around to this card while it's behind your hand. So pretty much, while it's behind your hand, go like that. So, the way to do this is to start off with, what you're going to do when it's above your hand, is you're going to push back all the cards right there. You can leave 2 there, or you can do all of them, so you get the ace there. So as you can see, it's pushed back, it's like that. You're showing it to them this side up, with your hand like that, like sort of spread out so they can see the Queen of Diamonds. But they can't see any of this going on here. You just want to you want to cover it up and face it towards them. So then what you do when it's like that is pretty much without the hand over the way. You're taking this one out when you're going like this, taking this out like that, putting it over the top, and squaring it all up. Then you lift your hand, and it's that card there. So behind the hand, so you're pushing it back, taking the card with that part of your hand, right there, flicking it out. It's out, you can sometimes see it click, you don't really want that, but sometimes it happens. So now it's like that. Then you're just taking it back and squaring it up. Queen of Diamonds. So just keep on practicing that, and yeah. Now for some uses, some things you can do with this. So, how to implement the classic color change into your routine or trick. So a classic color change trick would be if you've got a reveal on one of your jokers. So, yeah, the joker's right here. What you would do was, see this one here, it's got a back of the card on it, hopefully you can see that. And with this one, it's actually got the front of a card, and that is the Ace of Hearts. So what you do is you start off, set up like that, so Ace of Hearts on the top and these jokers on the bottom, with the face down card one, the unrevealed one, right on the bottom. Then you would force it. I mean, the Ace of Hearts doesn't have to be on the bottom, it can just be any place to force it. My favourite force is the Riffle Force, and I am now doing a variation of what I did in my video Riffle Force tutorial. This one is, instead of like cutting it and stopping at that place, what you're actually doing is you actually are stopping when they tell you to stop, so there. But then, what you're doing is you're pulling that card down onto that pile there. So, once again, riffle down, do it from this angle, pulling that card out, and doing that, but you're doing pulling the card out with, let's say they're that way, you're doing it like that, so they can't see that at all. Okay, so that's what you do. So Ace of Hearts, force that onto them. Okay, there's your card, the Ace of Hearts. You don't say Ace of Hearts, but show it to them. They can put it into the deck, where it was, whatever. You say, okay, I don't know your card, I can find it, but my joker can. I can't find it, but my joker can. So now you draw their attention to this card, face down card right here. and then you do the colour change. Now with this colour change, sometimes what you tend to do is only like leave one card out like that. Sort of get what I mean there. But you need to, for this, you obviously need to get them all out. So just practice like getting every card out. So that, see, the Joker's right there. So then you do the colour change just quickly, nice and smoothly. Don't do it like jolty. And now you can see, look at that. Your card, the Ace of Hearts, is now on there. That's one of the many uses for the classic colour change. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.